Hey guys, MC Fix It here, working on a 2002 Town & Country or Grand Caravan. Having some problems with having the AC stay cold, so once you start up the car, you turn on the power. It is blowing really hard, but no cool air is coming out. I'm going to show you how you can use a simple can and go ahead and get that recharged to what it needs to be. Yes, the light is on for the AC. That is one thing to check. Make sure your sliders are all the way over. And air is blowing nice and hard, but nothing's happening. Here are the tools that you're going to need to do this project. You're going to want some kind of refrigerant, and R134A is what this will be. Make sure it has a leak sealer and conditioner in it. And you can reuse the hose, and the hose has a decent gauge on it. And then also make sure it has the spout for the quick release right there. Works really well. Make sure you put gloves on, and go ahead and put on glasses as well. So you go ahead and pull right down there, and that releases the hood. And you're looking for the low pressure side, which is right down here. And that's what we're going to hook up to right there. So the goal of this is you're going to want to get it, it's about 85 degrees right now, so you want it between 45 and 50 on that little thing. And so you're going to go ahead and connect this on to the lower port right down over here. And after that's on, you're going to go ahead and twist this one, turn the cap this way, and then you got to push down. And it's really hard in this angle, but you want to go from, it'll be about 12 o'clock to about 3 o'clock, 12 o'clock to 3 o'clock. As you're pushing down, do it for about 15 seconds. You will see this skyrocket up into the red. After about 15 seconds, you let go of it, and it should get you closer to where you're at. I was at about 38, 39, so it wasn't completely gone. That's why the recharge worked for this. Then you just go ahead and do it, and back and forth a couple of times until you hit about 45, and that will let you know that you are right where you're supposed to be. This little gauge is helpful. Typically, these can come off and be used for other cans. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that on right there. And you can see the pressure gauge. And you can see the pressure gauge from here. Go ahead and start your car. Second thing is make sure your AC is on, turn it up all the way, and just have it full blow, everything blowing nice and hard. So our final test is going to go ahead and see if this works. So remember, this was on full blast before, and it should be now. And so as it's blowing, oh yeah, you can feel the cold air coming out automatically. And make sure when you're doing it, it's up all the way on all those. If this was helpful, please like and subscribe. Comment if you have any questions. Thank you guys so much for watching.